everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. This is the wrap up for the April Mini Kit Monday kit that I had put together. I made 3 pages and I did use a few things up. I only had 2 sheets of 12 by 12 and those were totally used. I also had some brads and I totally used all of those, I do believe. So as you recall, this was my inspiration and I used these little owls on everything. So I achieved my goal. I knew I wasn't going to use them all up, but I wanted to use them in all of the, at least one on every page, and that I did successfully. Here is the ephemera. It was I think I used it on every page, maybe not the second one because the colors were more of the purple and yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and put these back in the little packaging. But it was fun. It was fun to use. The other thing in here was the wood veneer. I was able to use some of the wood veneer. At least on the last page, I know for sure. And like I said, that I did have some brads in here, and those are all used up. As for the little papers, you know, I had these were already cut, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep these out and see if I can either punch them out and make embellishments or make little tags or something. I didn't even touch any of this blue, so I think I'm going to put the blue back and then the black. So these right here, I'm going to see what I can do with and maybe incorporate some of the stuff I have left over here. So these I'm going to go put back with my blue stuff. Okay, here is some of the yellow. I didn't use very much yellow. I think I had 1 6x6 sheet and a little portion was used of this. So let me go ahead and show you. I said that if I didn't use all this up, it was going into the trash. All I have is a couple of pieces left. I'm just going to go ahead and throw it away. To me, it's not worth keeping. Yeah, so it's going in the trash. This is from the Pink Fresh. This was completely full. I was able to use 3 pieces from that. I was able to use several pieces from this. This is from the Indigo Hills 2. And I used this alpha, I believe, on every page. And now I know why I go through the L's. Oh my gosh, it's because if I have to spell out Liddell's name, he takes up 3 L's. That is why. So anyway, so I was able to use it on all 3 pages. I do have, 2 A's and some O's. I don't know how many words I can get out of that, but I'm going to keep it. This is a Simple and Sweet. I was able to use this on several of the layouts. In fact, if not all of them. And this one as well, the puffy stickers. I think I was able to use this on all of them as well. So this was good. This was a success. I'm going to go ahead and put these. Now I'm going to leave these out. I'm going to go ahead and play with this for a bit. And anyway, thanks for joining me this month. And thanks to our guest designers, Kelly and Karen. I'm sorry, Karen. Make sure you check out their channels. I'll leave links to them below. They are awesome, awesome scrapbookers. All right, guys, I'll see you guys next time. All righty, bye-bye.